Welcome to the very first edition of the Bulldog Beat, your weekly Hitchcock High School news source.
Each week we'll bring you the latest announcements, student interviews, and Hitchcock Talks, and highlights from the Cockpit student section.
Plus, we'll be covering upcoming events, Spirit Day, and everything you need to know to stay connected as a Bulldog.
I'm Justin.
I'm Elia.
I'm Bats.
Let's get started with this week's announcements.
Seniors, don't forget that senior dues are $225 total. You can pay half by October 3rd and the balance by November 3rd. Those dues cover your senior shirts, yearbook, trips, and graduation breakfast, and more. Make sure you're on track.
Upperclassmen, it's almost time to get your parking passes and paint those parking spots. Get your paintbrushes and chalk and follow the tips sent out by the school.
Fall and senior pictures are coming up next Wednesday. Be photo ready, Bulldogs, and don't miss out.
And while we're talking about pictures, don't forget you can purchase your yearbook and your yearbook ads online heading to the Hitchcock High School website.
Homecoming week will be packed with fun. The parade and community pep rally happen on October 1st, starting at 6 p.m. Then on October 3rd is tailgating, the homecoming court presentation, and of course the big game. Sign up for tailgating the parade or nomination through the QR code in the parent newsletter and post it in the office.
And don't forget, homecoming core elections kicked off this Monday.
Homecoming week means the whole week of Spirit Day starting Monday, September 29th. We're dressing up every day, pajama day, camo day, and decades dress.
Freshmen are going to be babies, sophomores are toddlers, juniors are adults, and seniors are going to be grandparents. Dynamic duo day, and we'll have Friday's big theme, Shake the Nest, so just wear your Bulldog spirit. One more reminder, National Honor Society, your next meeting is Friday, September 12th during lunch. That's all for this week's announcements, Bulldogs.
Stay involved, show your spirit, and keep building your legacy.
And we'll see you next time here on Bulldog Beat.
Go Bulldogs!
Seniors, y'all both wear your cap and gowns during Picture Day, September 17th.
Hey Bulldog family, we want to see you out at the game this week. This Thursday, JV football team heads to Lamarck, and let's be with them in the stands where we can gather another win onto the season. Friday, Lady Bulldog volleyball team takes on Lamarck there at their place at 4:30, and let's be there to support our Lady Bulldogs before we head to the Friday night game.
Then Friday night is our blackout game at Bulldog Stadium. We're going lights out against the Cougars at 7 p.m. This week's theme is blackout and neon. So throw on your black, light it up with neon, and let's take a stand.
Let's go Bulldogs!
My name is Elia.
I'm Lynn.
I'm London. So, what is you guys' favorite brain rot?
Meow.
She took my answer. What is your fashion ick?
What is it? When they're, I don't know the name of it. Ask her.
I don't like whenever they got like those like baggy skinny jeans and they keep the tag on it. That's an unpopular opinion. That's me.
Hello, I'm here with.
Dane Howard.
And what is your fashion ick?
Pants.
Pant? And what's your favorite brain rot?
Balenciaga.
And I'm here with.
Jamarion.
And I would like to know what's your fashion ick?
Bushy daddy shorts.
And what's your favorite brain rot?
I don't have one.
I'm here with.
Camille Jefferson.
And I would like to know what is your fashion ick?
Purple jeans.
And what is your favorite brain rot?
6'7".